What if I told you that AI has evolved beyond just answering questions? What if AI could now think, plan, and take actions completely on its own to achieve goals you set for it? Welcome to the world of Agentic AI, and trust me, this is going to change everything. Hey everyone, this is AI Academy, and today we're diving deep into one of the most revolutionary developments in artificial intelligence, Agentic AI. Remember when AI was just about getting answers to your questions? Ask ChatGPT something, get a response, done. Well, those days are officially over. We're now entering an era where AI doesn't just respond, it acts. It makes decisions. It completes entire workflows without you having to hold its hand every step of the way. In this video, I'm going to show you what agentic AI actually is and why it's revolutionary. Real examples that are already changing industries today. How to build your first AI agent. Yes, we're doing hands-on coding. The frameworks you need to know, and most importantly, how you can get started right now. So grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the future of AI together. All right, let's start with the big question. What exactly is agentic AI? Traditional AI is like having a very smart assistant who only speaks when spoken to. You ask a question, they give you an answer. That's it. Well, those days are officially over. We're now entering an era where AI doesn't just respond, it acts. It makes decisions. It completes entire workflows without you having to hold its hand every step of the way. Here are the 4 game-changing characteristics. First, autonomy. These AI systems make independent decisions without you micromanaging every step. Second, goal-oriented behavior. Give them an objective and they'll work persistently until it's achieved. Third, environment interaction. They don't just process text, they can browse the web, make API calls, control software, even manage physical systems. Fourth, strategic planning. They create multi-step strategies, adapt when things go wrong, and learn from their experiences. Here's the key insight that blew my mind when I first understood it. An AI agent doesn't just respond to your prompts. It perceives its environment, makes plans, executes actions, learns from the results, and adapts its approach. Think about it. It's like having a digital employee that works 24/7, never gets tired, and continuously improves at their job. Now, this isn't some futuristic concept. Agentic AI is already transforming industries right now. Let me show you some mind-blowing examples. AutoGPT for content creation. Imagine telling an AI agent, create a comprehensive market analysis report. Here's what it does completely on its own. Researches current market trends and data, analyzes competitor information, generates visualizations and charts, compiles everything into a professional report, even formats and delivers the final document. No back and forth, no now do this, now do that, just results. GitHub Copilot Workspace. Tell it, fix this bug in my code base, and watch it analyze the bug report and symptoms, hunt through your code to find the problem, write and test multiple potential fixes, create a pull request with the solution, document exactly what it changed and why. Autonomous trading systems. These agents monitor markets 24/7, analyze patterns, execute trades, and adjust strategies based on performance, all while you sleep. AI personal assistants. Say, organize my business trip to Tokyo, and they'll handle flights, hotels, meetings, handle conflicts, rebooking, and create your complete itinerary. The crazy part? These aren't isolated tools. They're the beginning of a complete transformation in how we work with AI. Now, let's get into the technical side. How do these AI agents actually work? Every effective AI agent is built on 4 core components, and understanding these is crucial if you want to build your own. The perception system. This is the AI's eyes and ears. It gathers information from APIs, databases, web scraping, sensors, whatever it needs to understand its environment. Think of it as the agent's situational awareness. The decision engine. This is where the magic happens, usually powered by large language models like GPT-4. This component analyzes information, makes decisions, and creates plans. It's the brain of the operation. The action interface. This is how the agent actually does things. It makes API calls, sends emails, updates databases, controls software, whatever actions are needed to achieve the goal. Memory and learning system. This stores experiences, learns from successes and failures, and improves performance over time. It's what makes agents get better at their jobs. And here's the beautiful part. These components work in a continuous loop. Perceive, plan, act, learn, repeat. This cycle allows agents to adapt to changing conditions and continuously improve their performance. Speaking of building agents, let's actually code one together right now. All right, time to get our hands dirty. I'm going to show you how to build a simple research agent from scratch. Don't worry if you're new to coding, I'll explain everything step by step. So what we're doing here is creating a research agent class. We're giving it an open AI client for the AI brain, a memory system to remember what it learns, and a toolkit of functions it can use. This is the perception phase. The agent analyzes the task and figures out what steps it needs to take to do it. It's like giving the AI a moment to think and plan before acting. And this is where it all comes together. The agent perceives, plans, and then executes each step systematically. The key patterns we've demonstrated here are modular architecture with separate tools, a planning phase that breaks down complex tasks, a memory system for storing findings, a systematic execution loop. These patterns form the foundation of more complex agents. Now that you understand the basics, let me blow your mind with some advanced patterns that are already being used in production systems. Multi-agent systems. Instead of one super agent trying to do everything, you can have specialized agents that work together like a human team. For example, a content creation team might have a research agent that gathers information, a writing agent that creates the content, an editing agent that polishes it, and a publishing agent that handles distribution. Each agent has its specialty, and they coordinate to achieve complex objectives. Hierarchical agent architecture. This is like having managers and workers. Manager agents do high-level planning and coordination, while worker agents focus on specialized tasks. Now, when it comes to actually building these systems, you have several powerful frameworks to choose from. LangChain, perfect for beginners. Comprehensive ecosystem, great documentation, and integrates with everything. Microsoft AutoGen, specialized for multi-agent conversations. Great when you want agents talking to each other. Crew AI focuses on role-based agent teams with clear hierarchies. Perfect for business workflow automation. Custom implementation for when you need maximum control and flexibility. Here's my recommendation. Start with LangChain if you're new to this, move to AutoGen for multi-agent projects, and consider custom implementation once you understand the patterns. Okay, real talk time. While Agentic AI is incredibly powerful, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are genuine challenges you need to understand before deploying these systems. Control and reliability. Agents can make unexpected decisions. I've seen agents go completely off script and do things nobody anticipated. You need guardrails, approval workflows for critical actions, and extensive testing. Cost management. Here's something nobody talks about enough. Autonomous agents can rack up massive API costs incredibly fast. I once had an agent that burned through $200 in API calls in one night because it got stuck in a loop. Set usage limits, monitor costs religiously, start small. Security. Agents can access systems and data. They could be compromised or manipulated. Use the principle of least privilege. Only give agents the minimum access they need. Here are my hard-learned best practices. Start with low-risk, non-critical tasks. Gradually expand agent capabilities. Keep detailed logs of everything. Plan for failure scenarios. Always have a human override capability. But despite these challenges, the trajectory is clear. We're moving toward an agent-driven future, and it's happening faster than most people realize. Let me paint a picture of where this is all heading, because the future is closer than you think. Near future, 1 to 2 years. Seamless integration with every business software you use. Agents that rarely make mistakes or go off track. Better reasoning and planning capabilities, and agents that can recover gracefully from errors. Medium term, 3 to 5 years. Agents managing entire business processes end to end. Your AI assistant handling complex life management. Agents creating and managing other agents, industry-specific specialized agents that understand domain expertise. Long term, this is where it gets really interesting. AGI-level general problem solving, agents learning completely new domains on their own. Seamless human-AI collaboration that feels natural. Autonomous research agents making scientific discoveries. The impact across industries will be massive. In healthcare, personalized treatment plans and drug discovery. In business, autonomous customer service and process automation. In research, accelerated scientific breakthroughs. In creative, AI collaborators in content creation and design. Here's my advice. The companies and individuals who start experimenting with agentic AI today will have massive advantages in this future. Don't wait. Start learning now. All right, you're convinced you want to build AI agents. Where do you start? Here's your step-by-step roadmap to go from zero to building powerful AI agents. Phase 1. Foundation, week 1 to 2. First, choose your framework. Beginners, start with LangChain, best documentation and community. Intermediate, try AutoGen for multi-agent concepts. Advanced, go custom with direct OpenAI API integration. Phase 2, your first project, week 3 to 4. Build something simple but functional. A research agent that gathers information on topics, a customer service bot that can access your knowledge base, a content summarizer that processes multiple sources. I've created a starter template that you can use. It's in the description below. It includes basic agent structure, simple tool integration, memory management, error handling, essential learning resources, OpenAI cookbook for practical examples, LangChain documentation, incredibly comprehensive, deeplearning.ai courses on agents, GitHub repositories with working examples, communities to join, Discord AI developer communities, Reddit r/machine learning, Twitter AI developer networks, Stack Overflow for troubleshooting. Pro tips for success. Start small. Don't try to build a super agent on day 1. Test extensively. Agents can be unpredictable. Monitor costs from the beginning. Document everything. You'll thank yourself later. Join communities. Learn from others' mistakes. Let's wrap this up. Today, we've covered what agentic AI is and why it's revolutionary. Real-world examples already changing industries. The core technical components that make agents work. Hands-on coding to build your first agent. Advanced patterns and frameworks. Real challenges and how to handle them. Where this technology is heading. Your roadmap to get started today. Here's the bottom line. We're at the beginning of a fundamental shift in how AI systems operate. This isn't just another AI trend. This is AI evolving from tools we use to partners that work alongside us. Companies investing in agentic AI today will have significant competitive advantages. Individuals who learn these skills now will be at the forefront of this revolution. The question isn't whether AI agents will transform industries, it's how quickly you'll adapt to leverage their potential. So here's what I want you to do right now. First, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm creating more hands-on AI content every week. Second, download the starter template and resources I've linked in the description below. Third, choose your framework and start building your first agent this week. Don't wait. Start small, but start now. Fourth, share your creations. I want to see what you build. Tag me on social media or share in the comments. And if you found this valuable, share it with someone who needs to know about agentic AI. Let's build this future together. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The AI agent revolution is here, and you have the opportunity to be part of shaping it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive even deeper into advanced agent architectures. Don't forget to subscribe for more cutting-edge AI content.